Hi there. Many of you are asking me how to improve your English. So today I will give you 5 easy tips how to start thinking in English. Tip number 1. Label everything around you. Just stick a piece of paper with the name of objects everywhere. For example, starting from your room. Put a paper with the word bat. Then window, mirror, door. This will help you associate the name of the object directly, avoiding translation. Tip number 2 is practice your English using short, simple sentences. For example, think of your daily routine. Do it in English. Don't do it in your native language. For example, I'm hungry. I need something to eat. So do it in English. I'm hungry. I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to have snack. If you do it every day, you will see how your English is getting better and better. Tip number 3 is surround yourself with English. Immerse yourself in English media, such as podcasts, TV shows, movies. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it becomes to think in the language. Tip number 4 is to use English in your inner dialogues. Talk to yourself in English. Think of a situation, think of small dialogues, and talk to yourself. You need to challenge yourself to think in English. And no matter whether you're planning your day or you're reflecting on something, do it in English. At first, you might find it difficult, but then you will see that your dialogues will become wider and more interesting. Tip number 5 is visualize and describe. So when you see something, immediately start describing it in English. For example, you see a car. So, it's a red car. Is it a big car? Is it a small car? Is it a fast car? Slow car? Start to describe it. Start from small, simple objects. Or for example, a dress. What color is a dress? Is it a short dress? Is it a long dress? Is it a slim dress? Is it a loose dress? Start to describe everything around you, and you will see your English will be more and more fluent and more interesting. I hope you will enjoy this video useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.